Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set going balls to full screen display. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on a mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Going Balls and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find Full Screen Mode option. To set Going Balls to full screen display, enable Full Screen Mode option. And this is how you can set Going Balls to full screen display. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.